This is usually where I give up. Every time I tried to rebuild my life, it always looked the same. Day 1 felt very exciting, day 2 felt good, but day 3 everything started to slip. Not because I was weak, but because I was scared. I lose motivation on day 3 onwards. I get confused on what type of videos should I make next. I thought I needed motivation. I thought I need the perfect plan. I thought I needed to feel ready. But I didn't realize I was just avoiding the part where things actually get uncomfortable. And today I woke up with that same familiar resistance. Today when I woke up, my mind started negotiating. You can skip today. It's fine, it's just one day. It's okay to rest today. But I have lived that story before. I know exactly how it ends. So today I decided to show up anyway. Not perfectly, not energetically, but with honesty. I didn't wait to feel motivated. I didn't wait to feel ready. I just did the next small things in front of me. I used to think discipline meant intensity, grinding, pushing, forcing ourselves. But discipline, I am learning, is actually quite soft, steady, consistent. It's choosing not to abandon yourself when it gets boring. This time, I'm not proving anything to anyone. I am not chasing a result. I am rebuilding the trust with myself. And that is everything. And if you're watching this and you are on your day 1 or day 3, you don't need to be perfect to continue. You just need to stay. Day 3 still showing up.